President Ramnath Kovind has empowered the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, R.K. Mathur, to exercise the powers and discharge the functions of the state government under Hindu Marriage Act 1955 within the Union Territory. The Ministry of Home Affairs made the announcement through a notification on Wednesday. The Hindu Marriage Act is an act of the Parliament of India enacted in 1955. The main purpose of the act was to amend and codify the law relating to marriage among Hindus and others. This act therefore applies to Hindus by religion in any of its forms and Hindus within the extended meaning, like Buddhists, Jains, or Sikh, and in fact applies to all such persons domiciled in the country who are not Muslims, Christians, Parsi, or Jew, unless it is proof that such persons are not governed by the Act under any custom or usage. The Act applies to Hindus outside the territory of India only if such a Hindu is domiciled in the territory of India.